I'm David Gosney. I'm the head of Usaid here in Kenya. So we're part of the embassy, and we're the part that enables the partnership between the American people and the Kenyan people. A year ago, I came up and I met with the deputy governor, and we celebrated the supply of oxygen production facilities to the hospital here in Turkana. We talked about the need to deepen our partnership together to meet the needs of the people of Turkana in ways that provides them with income, improved nutrition and health outcomes, and creates that prosperous family that we all support throughout here in Turkana and more broadly. So we sat down together, our teams, and we came up with a plan. First, it was enabled through $1.1 billion, billion Kenyan shillings of drought assistance as part of a broader 2.7 billion Kenyan shillings effort to improve the households and livelihoods of so many families here in Turkana. But I needed to come here and see it myself, to see the progress that had been made in that partnership, to talk directly to the women's groups, the youth groups, to the entrepreneurs that are benefiting from that assistance and working together to see the boats that are being launched today, and to hear directly from the community workers who are a central part of that. Because it's the community workers who put together the program at the ward level, the strategy that identified the needs of the people here in Turkana. And that's what we partnered together with the deputy governor to help implement. So that's why you see today training programs for people that are doing electricians, plumbers, cell phone repair, people who are producing honey, people who are producing hay, all of which who have increased their incomes and now have savings that they can use for their families to enable them to have more nutritious outcomes, but also to adapt to challenges that may come in the future. And that's what we're here to do, because that's part of the partnership between the American people and the Kenyan people, because we're all better off when every family has the ability to put money in their pocket, food on their table, and have healthy, nutritious outcomes for all of them. Thank you.
First, I want to welcome you to Usaid, and we really appreciate what is happening. I've had a chance to make a visit to a number of projects funded by Nawiri, and I can testify and confirm that we have success stories. The livelihood projects that have been facilitated in Turkana North, like the irrigation scheme, like the water project in area in Kaiko, where besides domestic use for domestic, there is some irrigation of some horticultural crops. I have come to Nato, a major project that is going to change the fortunes of communities around it to do irrigation. So a number of them, the ones I've visited, have very good progress, and the impact is huge. So we really appreciate what Nawiri through the funding from Usaid has done for our community.
My name is Dr John Erus, Deputy Governor of Turkana County. Turkana is one of the counties that has tremendous opportunities and tremendous challenges in areas of water, education, health, livelihoods in general, and that is partly because of climate change, the stresses and shocks created by climate change in the livelihoods of the Turkana people requires compounding interventions, and that is why one of the things that the county government of Turkana leadership, in line with the 9-point agenda of His Excellency the Governor, is to consolidate all the efforts of our government partners into key value chains.
To launch 8 fibre glass boats. These 8 boats are going to benefit about 1,000, just over 1,000 program participants. We have trained a lot of these youths on how to operate this, but our investment is more than 253 million in the fishery sector. That includes the purchase, procurement of these motorized boats, but also other equipments that are being given to several youth groups, including let's make it equipments for basically the fishing sector. But the 1,000 participants who are going to benefit from these boats have also benefited from other layered activities, including access to financial services, business trainings, financial literacy, as well as how to make products out of fish. So they are not just going to to the lake to get the fish, but I think they have literally built on the other requirements, including trainings and capacity.
Majina ni Felix Rota, niko kwa group ya mechanic. Nawiri ndio imetupa hiyo nafasi katufunza hadi tunapata hiyo ujuzi. Sasa hii tunaweza tengeneza pikipiki hapa Lomekwi. Tambo ilikuwa kuna pikipiki kiharibika hapa inapelekwa Lodwa ama Kaloko. Lakini sasa hii tunaweza tengeneza hapa Lomekwi. Tunaweza fungua engine ya pikipiki na tengeneza.